Welcome! Today I am with Sony headphones and I will show you how easy you can disconnect them from your iPhone. So just simply grab your headphones like that and click and hold custom and power button at the same time. Okay, at the first you have to turn them off like that, and when they are turned off you have to click and hold both buttons until the indicator starts blinking on a blue 4 times. Click and hold, keep holding. As you can see, there it is. When it disappears we have to release the keys, and right now we successfully disconnected headphones, Sony headphones from iPhone, and basically it was the factory reset. So right now when we turn them back and click connect, we'll get pairing request. As you can see, we simply turn them off. So if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.